Let me firstly wish you all a very happy International Yoga Day. Yoga is an ancient physical, mental, and spiritual practice that originated in India. The word yoga, derived from Sanskrit, simply means to join or unite, symbolizing the union of body and consciousness. It was declared by the call of our Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi when he addressed the UN General Assembly and asked for adopting 21st June as an International Yoga Day to get all the benefits of yoga to the people around the world. No doubt, in Indian history, the declaration of International Day of Yoga is a great and proud moment. And today is the 7th anniversary of International Yoga Day. And the theme for this year is Yoga for Well-being. The more control we have on our mind, the more power we have in our life. Just absorb this profound statement, my dear friends. Yoga brings a balance between body, soul, and mind, which is the trilogy of human endowments. It gives you the power to control the body and the mind, promotes self-healing, it enhances personal power, and increases self-awareness. It removes toxins, negative thoughts from the body, reduces stress and tension. Some of the core concepts of yoga include obviously the physical postures, the stretching, the breathing techniques, which is very important, relaxation techniques, the different asanas that we do. In fact, by doing asanas, what are we doing? We are simply stretching the body and giving more space for prana to flow. And where there is prana, there is wellness. Another idea of yoga is the idea of self-regulation. Our ability to control our responses to the events as they happen. And what does it help us? It helps us in building resilience in the face of stress, which is very much needed in today's modern world. Also helps us the cultivation of the mind-body awareness. Feel a sense of what's going on in our mind and body, and this can lead to conscious action, which can lead to behavioral changes in a positive way. We've all become very impulsive and compulsive. From compulsive actions, we can move to conscious actions. The mind is clogged with thoughts. We need to flush them out. And that's what meditation is all about. To empty the mind, isn't it? Some people also experience a deep state with yoga, with what is called as deep meditation. And these kind of experiences can be very transformative and transcendental in nature. I really miss this day doing yoga physically with our yoga groups. But nonetheless, let's celebrate the spirit of this wonderful day. Now have a look at our brave Jawans. Some of the pictures that you already saw. And they practice this day of yoga with great discipline, wherever they are. On the tip of the mountains to their bases, wherever they are, they practice this day with so much of discipline, and a big, big salute to them. Once again, friends, I wish you all this wonderful day, and let's make an earnest effort to utilize this great science and practice of yoga, which is actually embraced by millions around the world to transform themselves and become great human beings and bring about a positive lifestyle. And as I say, enhance the life meaning and purpose. Thank you, friends, once again, and happy International Yoga Day once again. Thank you. Mention in the comments box how you all have been benefited from yoga. I look forward to reading your comments. Thank you once again.